Another day, another story. Sustainable construction has become a growing trend in recent years as the world is increasingly aware of the need to be environmentally conscious. Sustainable practices in the construction industry are putting less strain on the environment and improving the quality of our built environment. Comprehensive planning is one of the construction industry's most effective risk management techniques. Once identified, the planning team can develop strategies to mitigate or avoid the risks altogether. Effective quality control is another paramount risk management technique for sustainable construction practices. It is vital to prevent mistakes that could impact the environment or the safety of the construction site. Regular inspection routines and tests should be established throughout construction to identify and address potential concerns. Training is a crucial part of sustainable construction projects that are often overlooked. By providing training programs, not only can construction teams develop new skills, but they can also improve their awareness of the environmental impact of their work. Workers should be constantly trained on the latest safety regulations, protocols, and sustainable techniques. Sustainable construction projects involving several teams and stakeholders require regular communication to ensure all parties understand their roles. Communication channels should be established regularly to encourage dialogue between stakeholders, including project managers, contractors, suppliers, and employees. Risk assessments and evaluations are crucial techniques for sustainable construction projects. An assessment should cover the primary risks involved during the project's execution, including environmental impact, safety issues, financial risks, and geographical hazards. Improving the assessment and evaluation process can lead to better risk management strategies for future projects. Project managers and stakeholders should prioritize comprehensive planning, quality control, regular communication, training programs, risk assessments, and evaluations throughout the process. Implementing these techniques ensures that sustainable construction projects are completed efficiently and cost-effectively, making it a desirable building process for the future.